Hello everyone, welcome to Geomatics. My name is Jeff and today we'll talk about how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva in 5 minutes. So if you have not come to our channel before, please hit the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will not miss another video from us. Thank you. Okay, so we are at canva.com and then we will type in the YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and you can see it's 1280 by 720 pixels, and this is actually a bank cover. Alright, so you can use some of the standard templates you can see on your left, but I'm just going to choose a different color just to show you the background over. So I'm just going to quickly switch back to white, and I'm going to choose a music. Let me look for a music kind of background because I wanted to set up a top 5 music soundtracks. I key in the keyword music here and let me scroll for something. Alright, okay, this looks pretty good. Yep, so I got to actually extend it, make sure the whole of this background image actually covers the thumbnail. Okay, so this actually shows a music kind of thumbnail art, and then I'm going to head over to text and I'm going to put in my text over here. Let me use this huge sale as a heading. Alright, so I'm going to make use of the word huge here in yellow to actually make my text. Okay, and I'm just going to very quickly key in the top 5 free music resources. Okay, you can see that the font size is pretty big. I'm just going to change it smaller so that it fits within the thumbnail. Okay, and you also can see that the yellow color over a white background just isn't showing the contrast of having the headline or title of the video standing out from the thumbnail. So probably let me try to choose it to blue and see how this goes. Yep, blue looks pretty good. Okay, let me add in some icons here to further beautify the thumbnail. Okay, here we have a sound or volume icon. Yep, this looks pretty good as well. So let me pick this one. Slotting one icon each at the bottom left and bottom right of my thumbnail. So you can see all these are actually created through stock images, and it's just really just aligning the text and using icons to beautify it. Alright, let me put a little shadow to further stand out my title. Okay, adjusting the blurriness of it. Alright, so here we have it. A very simple YouTube thumbnail created just purely using canva.com. So I'm just going to download the image out in PNG format, and this can straight away be used in my channel art later. So there we have it, a very simple YouTube thumbnail created in less than 5 minutes. So I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button if you like it, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.